like no eyebrows whatsoever. Well, I do have lots of eyebrow hair. No. Hey guys, I wanted to show you my eyebrow routine because it's been so many years of experimenting, going through some rough patches, and I've been through quite a journey with my eyebrows, and I wanted to show you guys how I do it. It's a pretty simple routine, only a couple products that I use. I really think that some sort of ombre effect for your eyebrows is really important for them to look at least a little bit natural. Most importantly, my trusty Dipbrow pomade. It's for gals like me who have very sparse, light eyebrows that need a lot of help. You know, if I just had sufficient eyebrows in my life, I'm pretty sure that I would rock a more natural look. Pretty happy with the ones that I do today, actually. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get my eyebrows on.
I do 3 light taps and that's all you need. I like to gently and lightly stroke in the darkest and most amount of color on the tip. And then I use the rest of the color that's left over to fill in the rest. The closer I get to the center, the lighter I distribute the color. At the very tip, I stroke very light upward motions. Sometimes I go too far or too dark at the tip, so I just lightly dab it. When I'm happy with my base, I start with a medium brown shade to fill in my brows. And then to create that ombre effect, I always lighten the center with a lighter color. And there you have it. That's my brow routine. I just feel so much better with my brows on, and there's my final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.